One and 9 minutes remain.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. This is the final one. Go. My name is Chukwuyenum Opone. I'm a software and game developer from Lagos, Nigeria.
I'm Oroke Kenneth Augustine, a writer and data analyst from Imo, Nigeria.
I'm Uzochukwu Victor, a front-end software developer from Lagos, Nigeria.
So today we are presenting BattleStar 21. This is a battle simulation game using AI21 NLP models.
Yeah, for our problem statement, we're tackling two major problems. Firstly, internet gaming disorder. Secondly, inavailability of enough data set for game development and research. Yeah, our solution comes in two ways. First, the BattleStar 21 game, which function in these four different ways. Then secondly, population of data set for use for game development and research cases.
So I'm going to be talking about how this application works. This is the architecture of the entire application. And we can see it uses 4 presets from AI21 Lab. So let me go to the application so you can see the flow. So this is BattleStar 21. It's deployed on Vessel. And you can see send us generic character now, or select a random character from previously generated characters. So I'll generate a new character. So it has generated one, it has generated the other one. So it's telling us to predict who will win this fight between both. So I'm going to do Ira Barrel and simulate this fight. So the stage is set in the beach. She's creating like a story between these two fighters. Era is victorious. So I predicted correctly, basically. Era won this fight. So you can also go to the character section where you can see list of generated characters, their wins and their losses. See, then you can also revisit battles played by previous people. You can revisit the simulation and see what happened in these battles. So that's the application.
Okay. So for the technologies we use, we made use of, for the front end, which is the UI, we made use of React, and then this is communicating with the back end, the API, which was made of Node and TypeScript. And this Node TypeScript communicates with the A21 Lab API language model, which is generates for us the data we use in storing to MongoDB. And then basically that is the technology we made use of to create this application.
Yeah, on the application areas, we have 4 major application area: research, education and training, entertainment, the mental and social webbing. Now, for the monetization, I'll talk more about this. First of all, we could sell the library and the data set to game developers and academic researchers. Secondly, users are supposed to pay some amount of Ether for them to be able to predict and simulate. We're yet to implement that. Then lastly, to add more features to the character developed by the AI, you need to pay some amount of money to be able to do that.
So the limitations we faced while building this application was time constraints, and this led to us not being able to implement the reward system on time. We're not able to implement authentication on time, and the API currently is made public. It's not restricted to logged in users. So future modifications, we're going to be implementing the authentication optionalization. We're going to be bringing in the BattleStar token, so that they can use it in making predictions and winning and losing with it. You can also multiply and modify characters, upgrade the characters basically, and we'll create an exchange where characters can be swapped by owners. So that's BattleStar 21. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.